In the equation c square is equals to a square minus b square, if we keep a fixed and vary c from 0 to a, then the resulting ellipse will vary in shape. Now there is case first, and it says what? It says when c is equals to 0. When c is equals to 0, suppose we have this ellipse. It is along x-axis, major axis is along x-axis, and the minor axis is along y-axis. So this is the center of ellipse. This is point P. Its vertex is at point P. This is suppose point Q. This is PR. This distance is A. Semi major axis. Suppose this is the focus F2. This is the focus F1. This distance is C. This distance is also C. This distance is B. This distance is what? A minus C. Okay. Now if if c is equals to 0, then what will happen? This point and this point will merge at the center. This point F1 and this point F2 will merge at center. So there will be no focus. There will be only center. If c is equals to 0, then what will happen? Both foci will merge together with center of the ellipse. And what will happen if you put c is equals to 0? A square is equals to b square. Consequently, a will be equal to b, and so ellipse will be equal to what? Ellipse will be equal to circle. Ellipse will become circle. Thus we can say that circle is a special case of an ellipse. Circle is a special case of an ellipse. Now next is case 2. Case 2 is what? When c is equals to a. If we put c is equals to a, then what will happen? Then b will be equal to 0. B will be equal to 0 means what? If c is equals to a, then b is equals to 0, then ellipse reduces to line segment. If c is equals to a, if this c becomes a, suppose this is the F1, this is your center O, and this is F2, then this c we are putting the value equal to a, and this we are also putting the value